Hello and welcome to this week's arcade 20p challenge, and as usual I've left this till the last minute, so let's start. I've seen the best, and the best is well practiced, so yeah, not gonna win. I'm not even gonna practice. So there, 2 credits. Well ported game, came to most systems, not all fucking systems. Fuck me, that's loud. So if you hold the button down here, you do a more powerful attack. Fucking hell, straight away. Yeah, the R in R-Type stands for Ray, if you ever wondered. Bet you didn't. Now you know. Key's getting these power-ups. Can't even remember where the fuck they are. There they are. There's one of them. Ah, fuck. This could be the worst run. I really should have practiced. Apparently, this was in manga. They made a manga out of it. It's like one of the hardest games ever, but I've seen people do well at this, so there is definitely a learning curve to it. You can fire this thing at people. Ah, motherfucker! Yeah, this is not child-friendly video. I'm not even gonna get to the boss, am I? This is rubbish. Oh well. I was never that great at these space shooters. Although I do enjoy them. Come on, please fucking get somewhere. Fuck. Get on the front. That's it. Motherfucker. Ah, that's the business. Fuck. Well, that was embarrassing. Should have practiced. There you go. You know, this was the last game distributed by Nintendo. Bet you didn't know that, eh? I didn't even know it had anything to do with Nintendo, but there you go. Okay, well, not winning this week. No change there. See you next week.